It's a huge problem in Cleveland that we've been following for years here at News 5. We told you how dangerous lead exposure is, even potentially causing irreversible damage to a child's physical and mental health.
Well, the city of Cleveland took action to make its homes lead safe, but we've learned they're making little progress toward that goal. News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison has been digging into it and joins us now with a look at why efforts are failing.
Yeah, Katie and Tara, the certification program that the city has created to help meet its goals is really failing to make any progress. For the city to meet its goals, about 10,000 Cleveland landlords a year should be getting their properties inspected and certified as lead safe. Right now, the numbers are falling short of that goal, far short.
Oh, I needed a big shovel for this.
Shirley Bellwheeler didn't think she would have to worry about lead here.
Should I have to worry about it? I shouldn't have to worry about it as much as I do.
But when she tested the soil at her community garden, Revlove Urban Farm, some areas had toxic levels of lead.
That's why we do raised beds everywhere, just to be safe when we get our soil tested. But also in some areas in our farm, we just don't plant vegetables.
She blames dust and debris left by the demolished homes that were on these vacant lots.
There was 3 different houses, 1, 2, 3. And there's contamination and there's no remediation going on.
Cleveland has a serious problem with lead.
Rob Fisher is a professor at Case Western Reserve University and the lead-safe auditor for the city of Cleveland.
By the time they reach kindergarten, Cleveland school children, 25% of them have been lead poisoned.
But we found efforts to fix the problem have stalled. In 2019, Cleveland passed a law requiring landlords to make their properties lead-safe. But so far, only about 30% have gotten the required inspection and certification. Just as troubling, only 20% of landlords who initially got the lead-safe certification, which expires after 2 years, are bothering to renew it.
You might think, why can't we just, get these properties in compliance? The rental market is incredibly diffuse.
He says there are about 40,000 different property owners. Some are corporations with no connection to Cleveland. Others are mom and pops struggling to stay afloat.
So they have precious little capacity to actually make repairs.
Cleveland has created an online portal to streamline the process and plans to hire inspectors to increase enforcement.
If you make it easier to provide safer homes, then incentives. People like incentives.
Shirley is also a mom. She says Cleveland should make lead removal a bigger priority to protect little ones like Jeremiah.
It's a crisis if you have lead in your home. It's particularly if you have children and if it's in the walls and in the paint.
There are several challenges when it comes to making Cleveland lead safe. Fisher says there are a relatively small amount of lead inspectors to do the inspections. Cleveland requires landlords to pay out of pocket for the inspections and then apply to be reimbursed. And so far, there's been little enforcement for violations. I'm News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison.
Such an important story, Sarah. That data point, 25% of Cleveland children lead poisoned by the time they reach kindergarten. We will stay on it. Thank you.